Is OPEC falling apart? Since June, the price of global benchmark Brent crude oil has fallen below $85 a barrel, the lowest in 4 years. And where's OPEC? Squabbling over market share. As one Gulf oil official put it, no one is telling anyone what they are up to. The risks are long-standing, but it's unusual for them to come out into the open. And the last few years of high and steady prices have also helped keep things friendly. And in previous crises, OPEC has banded together to turn off the taps and keep prices high. Last month, OPEC's production hit a 13-month high. And rather than cutting volumes, members are slashing prices, competing with each other for market share. Relationships are fraught. One official said, if members don't cooperate, which is likely, everyone is in trouble and prices will drop even further. So how did we even get here? A slowing global economy is hitting demand. The International Energy Agency slashed its forecast for oil demand growth this year to its lowest since 2009. And, well, there's just a lot of oil around. Crude production in North America is booming thanks to the development of shale oil projects. The US overtook Russia and Saudi Arabia this year to become the world's largest liquids producer. OPEC members like Libya and Iraq are also pumping more oil, despite political instability in those countries. Libya is on track to produce 1 million barrels a day this month, according to Libyan officials, a 5-fold increase from earlier this year. In Iraq, too, the key oil export hub of Basra remains isolated from the insecurity in the country's north. So what happens next? With prices tanking, pressure is mounting on OPEC members who need high oil prices to balance their budgets. Even in Saudi Arabia, a rare public dispute has broken out over the kingdom's oil policy. In an open letter to the country's oil minister this week, Saudi business magnate Prince al-Waleed bin Talal wrote, "The kingdom's 2014 budget is 90% dependent on oil revenues, so belittling the impact of falling oil prices is a catastrophe that cannot go unmentioned." Saudi Arabia needs an average oil price of $80 to $90 a barrel to balance its 2014 budget, according to Prince al-Waleed. Key OPEC members, including Saudi Arabia, have indicated they have no intention of cutting output and ceding market share to others, though. Perhaps the group is hoping that higher-cost producers in North America will blink first, but that will likely mean that prices will need to fall further before these countries get any relief.